welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you guys decided to join me today because I'm actually going to be showing you guys some hairstyles. I've never really done a hairstyle type of video. I've done like a couple of tutorials with like curling my hair and all of that, but like nothing really with styling. And since I am a hairstylist, you would think that I would incorporate hair more into my channel, but I do it so much during the week that I tend to stay away from it. But you guys did request that I do a hairstyle video featuring my favorite headbands and how I style them. So that's what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to show you guys my favorite ways to style headbands. They are really in style at the moment, and it's just a really quick and easy way to get your hair to look really cute. So if you guys are interested on learning how to get some cute hairstyles with headbands, learning how to style headbands, then let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. So if you guys don't know, my hair is naturally pretty straight and really flat. This is how it is straight out of the shower, and I even braided it this morning while I was at the gym and took it out, and this is basically what I'm left with, which is pretty much nothing. I don't really have that much texture. I don't really have any volume, anything. So like when it comes to third day hair, my hair is definitely flat against my head. If you guys have fine straight hair, you know what I'm talking about. So you guys can either go heatless with these hairstyles or you can use heat. Today I'm actually going to use heat. It is my third day of not washing my hair, so I'm also going to be using dry shampoo. Like I said, this is optional. If you guys want to braid your hair and have some nice waves without using heat, you guys can totally do that by prepping the hair and doing that first before going in with any headbands. It's totally up to you. You can leave your hair straight, whatever you want, but my hair is a lot easier to style when I add some texture to it, and since it's so flat naturally, I definitely have to go in with a curling iron or some type of styling tool. So I'm just going to clip sections up of my hair. I'm not really going to show you guys how I do this because I do have a tutorial, and I will link it down below if you guys want to know how I curl my hair, but I'm just using a 1-inch curling iron. This is from Conair. It's like $30 from Rite Aid. Super quick, super easy. So I'm just going to take some heat protectant. This is the Kenra one, which was also in my hair care video. And just quickly add some waves. I'm not really going to make them look like super cute or anything. I just want to add some texture to my hair, add some volume to it. So I'm going to do that by adding some curls today. So as you guys can see, I've added a couple of curls to the bottom half of my hair, so now I'm just going to quickly finish this up off camera so we can get onto the actual tutorials of how to style the headbands rather than curling hair. So I'm going to do that off camera real quick. I'll be right back once my hair is all finished. I finished curling all my hair, so now to give me a little bit more volume and take away any of the grease that I might have from the last 2 days, I'm going to go in with the Batiste dry shampoo in the scent Bright and Lively Floral. This is my favorite dry shampoo ever. They have a really good cherry scent, and then this is my second favorite one. The first look that I'm going to do is probably the easiest one, so I'm just going to take all of my hair and push it behind my back. And I'm going to take this headband. This is one that you all really loved in my last video. And this one is from Target. Both of these that I'm using today are from Target. They were $9.99. So I'm just going to take it and bring it around my neck as if it's a scarf. And you guys can either tie it around your head like this with like pieces hanging out right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that to show you guys. What I like to do with these ones, because they are a little bit longer and you can't just leave it like that, I like to double knot it like that, and then I actually like to tuck it under. You guys can totally leave your hair like this, and this is probably best for people who have like a really nice fringe, really nice bangs, some nice face framing layers that you guys can either tuck behind like I did right here, or you can leave them kind of hanging out in front. Either way I think would be really cute. So this is just the first style, super simple, super easy. And the other style that actually goes right along with this one, if you guys wanted to, you're again just going to start the exact same way that I did. So for this next one, I like to push all of my hair back and kind of lean my head back to make sure my hair doesn't get in my way. And then I like to take my headband and kind of use it to push all of my hair back. And at this point, just tie it up here on the top And like I said, I like to double knot it just because it's probably not going to stay unless you double knot it. So I double knot it like this, and then I tuck it behind. This is the second style, super easy, super simple. Like I said, it's almost just like the other one that we did, except all of your hair is pushed back instead of flowing right here. So if you guys do have bangs and you're kind of annoyed with them, or you just don't like your hair in your face, this is a nice way to get it out of your face, but still make it look really cute. I think this is pretty much my favorite one. There are a couple others that I really do like though, that you guys will still have to stick around and see. So with this third hairstyle, I'm again starting with my hair all the way down, and I'm going to fold my headband. You guys can either make it super skinny or a little bit thicker. And I'm actually going to take this to the side, so put a little bit more room on this side. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it across, and you guys can move whatever hair you want out of your way. Now I think this hairstyle specifically would look really cute for like the beach if you guys were trying to do like a styled shoot or something. You definitely have to have the right outfit for it. But this is hairstyle number 3, which I think is really, really cute still. It's just really boho. I love it. For this next style, I'm gonna do a half up, half down ponytail. So I'm just going to part my hair right here in half. Kind of like Ariana Grande style, and I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of brush back this right here. And you guys can take any ponytail. I'm just taking a scrunchie. You guys can find those at Target, Amazon, wherever. And just really poof up the ponytail. What I'm going to do is grab this headband that I have and just wrap it around there a couple of times. Once you've wrapped it around, to make it a little bit shorter, I'm just going to knot it. And I'm going to take the 2 leftover pieces and knot it back here, so that way the tie kind of stays behind my head and the ponytail kind of covers it. So that is style number 4. So for this next style, I'm just going to take a little bit of this front section right here, kind of do like a little mini headband section. So you're just going to take a little bit here in the front, not all the way back. And I'm actually going to pin that off to the side for right now. So I'm just going to take a clip. Now what I'm going to do is flip my head over so I can create a high ponytail right up here. All right, so now what I'm going to do with this front section right here is kind of pinch it like this and push it forward just to give me some volume. And then I'm going to grab a bobby pin and pin it down on each side of that bump. And this is just to make sure that you have a lot of volume up here in the front. What you can do with that leftover hair is wrap it around the ponytail and secure it down here with another bobby pin. What you're left with right here without the headband. So now I'm actually going to take this white headband right here, and I'm going to take it at the bottom of my neck, and I'm going to secure it right on top of where that poof is. And then if you guys wanted to, you could pull some pieces from the front right here, and this is what you're left with. So remove the headband, and what you're actually going to do for this next hairstyle is kind of twist your hair however you would like to kind of create a messy bun. So that's the messy bun that I'm just going to keep the way that it is. If you guys want to pull some pieces out because they're curled or however you guys want to, you totally can. I'm just going to pull some out just to make it a little bit more messy. And I'm gonna take my bobby pins and kind of pin this bun into place. It doesn't have to be perfect. The messier, the better. And I'm again taking this same headband, tucking it underneath my neck, and just tying it off the same way that I did previously. As for these front pieces, I like to leave them down, but if you guys want, you can put them back up, or if you guys have bangs, you can leave them down too, because I think a fringe would look really cute with this. But yeah, this is just a messy bun with the headband. For this next look, I'm starting with my hair down, and I'm actually going to section out these two front sections, so very much so like we did with the poof up on top. And I'm going to leave these out, so you can either pin them out. I'm just going to leave them out and kind of work around them. And I'm going to take the rest of my hair So I gathered up the rest of my hair, and you should be left with a ponytail. So I'm going to take my ponytail holder, tie this back. So now that we have this ponytail, I'm going to move on to the front sections right here. You kind of want to smooth out the pieces right here. And I'm going to take my bobby pin and kind of pin them on top of the ponytail back here. And then I'm going to take this section as well. Okay, so I took the other side and I smoothed it out just like the first side. Now I'm going to pin it with the bobby pin into place. Now this piece fell out a little bit because it is a little bit shorter, so if you guys want to, you can leave your front sections if you'd like, or you can totally pin them back. But for this, I think I might leave my front sections just because I don't like my hair slicked back. So I'm going to pin this piece that fell out. This is the ponytail that you're left with, and you can choose whichever headband if you guys wanted this one, or if you wanted this one, or whatever one that you guys have at home. I'm just going to use this one right here. And I'm going to tuck it underneath my ponytail and just kind of wrap it around like I did with that other. And if you guys want to, you can tie it off on the top and leave it. I don't know what the back of my head looks like, so just excuse that. But if you guys wanted it to be a little bit longer, then you guys can not wrap it as many times. So I'm going to take it out real quick and redo it and wrap it up on top. And if you guys just wanted to wrap it once, you totally could. You guys just have the headband hanging with your ponytail. So that pretty much wraps up today's headband tutorial. Let me know if you guys like this video, and if you do, let me know if you guys want to see any more hair tutorials, specifically which ones you guys would like to see. I definitely enjoyed doing this. I just work with hair literally all week long. So that's why I kind of try to stay away from it, but you guys tend to really like it and really trust my opinion. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I do hope that you guys do subscribe before you leave. Thank you guys so much for being here. Bye.